Question number 8 says that Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams apples and 3 kg 250 grams mangoes, whereas Sarla bought 4 kg 800 grams oranges and 4 kg 150 grams bananas. So who brought more fruits is what we have to find in this question. So to start with, we'll find the total fruits bought by Shama, and that can be written as 5 kg 300 grams, which is the apples that she bought, plus 3 kg 250 grams, which is the mangoes that she bought. We can directly add the kilograms, that is 5 kg plus 3 kg gives us 8 kg. Adding the grams together, that is 300 and 250 grams, we get 550 grams. We'll try to convert the 550 grams into kilograms, and that can be done by dividing 550 by 1000. So we'll be writing 8 plus 550 divided by 1000 kilograms, and that gives us the sum as 8.550 kilograms as the total amount of fruits bought by Shama. Now the next thing that we'll do is we'll find out the total fruits bought by Sarla, and that can be written as 4 kg 800 grams, which is the amount of oranges that she bought, plus 4 kg 150 grams, which is the total amount of bananas that she bought. Now we can directly add the kgs, that is 4 kg plus 4 kg gives us 8 kg. 800 grams plus 150 grams gives us 950 grams. We'll now be converting 950 grams into kilograms by dividing it by 1000. So we'll be writing 8 plus 950 by 1000 kilograms, and that gives us the answer as 8.950 kilograms, which is the total amount of fruits bought by Sarla. So we can clearly see by comparing 8.550 kilograms and 8.950 kilograms that the total fruits bought by Sarla were more than the total fruits bought by Shama. So the answer is Sarla bought more fruits than Shama.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.